Welcome to The Truth for Today. Have you ever wondered why so many people who once struggled with addiction, whether drugs, alcohol, or gambling, end up deeply devoted to the Reborn Christian Church? It's not by accident. Today, we're going to expose a hidden cycle of dependency that few talk about: faith addiction. When someone battles addiction, they seek something to fill the emptiness left behind. Many turn to faith, believing it will heal them. And while faith can be a powerful force for good, the church system often takes advantage of vulnerable people by offering them a new kind of high, a spiritual high that keeps them hooked. At first it feels uplifting. The community welcomes them, the sermons inspire them, and they finally feel like they belong. But over time, something changes. Instead of simply being part of a faith, they become trapped in an obligation. They feel they must prove their devotion, work harder, serve more, and donate more. The same cycle they had with addiction, needing something external to feel complete, repeats itself, but now with the church as the new authority in their lives. Pastors and church leaders know this. They encourage it. They preach that giving to the church is a sign of gratitude for being saved, that volunteering is an act of faith, and that withholding time or money is a sign of spiritual weakness. People who were once addicted to substances now become addicted to approval. They work for free while the church profits. They give their last dollar while the pastor lives in comfort. The church turns their recovery into a business model, and the person who once found salvation now finds themselves enslaved, this time to religion. If you've ever felt this way, ask yourself, who am I truly serving? Am I growing spiritually, or am I just feeding another system of control? Here are 5 questions to help break free from faith addiction. 1. Do I feel pressured to serve or give more than I can afford? 2. Am I giving out of love or out of guilt? 3. Does my church encourage me to think for myself, or does it demand loyalty above all else? 4. Is my faith about my personal relationship with God, or is it controlled by church leaders? 5. Am I helping people in my community directly, or am I only supporting the church's financial goals? Breaking free doesn't mean losing faith. It means reclaiming your faith on your own terms. Instead of giving 10% of your salary to a multi-million-dollar organization, go out and make a difference yourself. Visit a shelter, help a struggling neighbor, support a friend battling addiction. That is true service. And if your eyes are being opened, do not feel guilty for leaving. Do not let them make you feel like you've failed again. Walking away from a system designed to control you is not failure, it's victory. It's a step closer to true redemption. It takes a strong person to see what's really going on and an even stronger one to take action. You don't owe the church your loyalty, your money, or your free labor. Your faith is between you and God. Don't let an institution hold it hostage. If this message spoke to you, like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more content that challenges what we've been taught and helps us reclaim our spiritual freedom. Stay strong, stay aware, and remember, the truth will set you free.